Hello mga boss, this is Boss Rod, and for today's video, I wanted to give you the 5 things na ginagawa ko kung paano ba ako mag-interview ng applicant. The first one is, in your resume, you should put all the important details in the first page. So, it's very subjective, it might be different from the other people, but for me, having 2 pages, it's fine, but it's better to have just one. So, yung mga susunod, yun yung mga important details na nandoon dapat sa resume mo. So, ano yung second? The second is experiences, no? In your experiences, you should also put kung ano yung naging role and responsibilities mo dun sa experience na yun, no? And also, ano yung tech stack na ginamit mo dun sa experience na yun. So, yun yung importante sa experiences na portion or section. So, third, ano yung mga capable ka? No? Capable ka ba sa React? Ang mga skills mo, no? Capable ka ba sa ganito, sa React, sa Vue, sa Angular, sa Go, sa Rust, and so on. So, kailangan mong ilagay yon dun sa first page din. So, ano yung fourth? Yung fourth naman is yun yung portfolio mo na. So, ano yung mga projects na ginawa mo? No? So, meron ka bang ganito? Or meron ka bang link ng portfolio mo? Then, nandoon ba yung mga projects na nagawa mo na? And so on. So, that's also an important thing to have. No? So, the last one is yung technical or live coding. No? So, it's very important to have portfolio. Why is that? Because on your portfolio, that's the initial basis. How you think, how you implement things, how you code. Sa portfolio, basically, ang pinaka-tinatanong ko is ano yung pinaka-proud ka na portfolio. So, ayun yung pinaka-importanting i-show, no? Kunyari, meron kang 10 portfolio, no? Hindi mo kailangang i-share lahat yon. Ang kailangan mo i-share yung pinaka-proud ka, no? Yung pinaka-nahirapan ka or pinaka-proud ka na nagawa mong project. And then, you just need to share paano mo siya in-implement, paano mo siya sinolve, ano yung klaseng implementation na ginawa mo, and so on. That's it. No? Sa live interview, the most important thing na you need to understand is sinusukat dyan kung gaano ka ka-collaborative. No? Gaano ka ka-detail-oriented. No? So, yun yung mga sinusukat sa interview. Siyempre, very obvious and common. Siyempre, yung skills mo. Okay? Sa live interview, it's very important na pagka binigyan ka ng question or ng task, kailangan mong i-solve yun, no? Pero while doing coding, no, kunyari sinosolve mo na yung problem, huwag ka lang mag-code, no? Kailangan nagtatanong ka din dun sa interviewer, especially kung hindi mo talaga na-understand, no? Kailangan mong itanong, no? It's better to ask question than being silent and then hindi mo alam kung ano yung ginagawa mo. No, kasi isa yun sa mga test, no? How collaborative you are, how communicative you are. And then also while doing coding as well, just say something, no? I'm doing this because of this, o ano ba yung kailangan ko, ganito, ganyan. So you need to express, no? You need to express while coding. Kasi doon na malalaman ni interviewer how you think, how you code, how you solve things, how you implement things, no? So that's why it's very important to know those. Okay, so yun lang mga boss, and good luck sa your journey. Bye.